When you're dealing with graphs, you have to have a good understanding of the XY plane. And the first thing that you have to know about the XY plane is that it's broken up into different quadrants, with the top right being quadrant 1, and working counterclockwise quadrant 2, 3, and 4. And you can easily recognize which quadrant a point is in just by looking at the sign of the X and the Y. Because quadrant 1 is always going to have a positive X, positive Y. Quadrant 2 is going to have a negative X, positive Y. 3 is going to have negative X and Y. And 4 is positive X, negative Y. And the way that you know that is because on the right side of the y-axis is going to be all the positive X values, because it's just like a number line with 1 up through infinity. And then the left side is all the negative values, with the middle at the origin being 0. Same thing with the x-axis. The top of it is going to be all the positive numbers, and the bottom is going to be all the negative numbers. So we label these points here, assuming all 4 of these points have a magnitude of 1 for x and y. This point's going to be positive 1, positive 1. This one will be negative 1, positive 1. This one will be negative 1, negative 1. And this point will be positive 1, negative 1. And you can easily tell which quadrant a point is in just by looking at the sign of the X and the Y.